Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we want to learn something about articles. A, the, and. Three kinds of articles. At first, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like me. A or an are used for first mention, jobs, and descriptions. First mention. I saw an old man in the park. Please pay attention. You should use an for some words that they start with these letters A, O, U, E, and I. And for the other words that they start with other letters, you should use A for the articles. For example, for job, she is a teacher. And for the last part, descriptions, Paris is an interesting city. You can use the for second mention, specific things, only one thing, common places, superlatives, musical instruments. Let's learn some examples. Second mention. I saw a man and a dog. The man was old. Specific things. The children are in the garden. Only one thing. The moon looks beautiful. Common places. We are going to the park. Superlatives. He is the best student in the class. Musical instruments. My daughter plays the piano. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you soon.